How to use Blue investment app for Canadians properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think Bloom is just another Canadian investing app, but the surprising truth is beginners often make mistakes that can limit their portfolio growth. Here's how to use it properly. Bloom offers automated investing, goal tracking, and tax-efficient accounts. The first mistake is skipping account setup. Beginners often choose standard accounts without considering tax advantage options like RSPs for TFSs, which can significantly impact net returns. Second mistake is neglecting goal definition. Clear objectives like retirement, a home, or emergency funds guide investment strategies and risk levels. Another common error is underfunding contributions. Bloom performs best when deposits are regular and consistent. Even small amounts invested consistently can compound into significant wealth. Beginners also overlook diversification. Bloom allows allocation across its bonds and equities. Sticking to one type increases risk and limits growth. Finally, many users ignore periodic reviews. Monitoring progress ensures allocations and contributions align with goals and market changes. Used correctly, Bloom is more than a Canadian investing app. It's a financial growth platform. Set up tax-efficient accounts, define goals, contribute consistently, diversify investments, and review progress. Avoiding these mistakes maximizes returns and keeps your financial goals on track.